How to get a refund on Amazon. Want your money back? This guide shows you how to get a refund on Amazon so you can get your money back for your orders. The first thing that you want to know is that a refund is processed after you return an item. You'll need to go to your orders and initiate a return. Once the return is initiated, you'll need to send the item back to Amazon. Once Amazon receives the returned item, they will inspect it to make sure it's in the same condition as when it was sent. If the item is in good condition, they will process the refund. The refund will be credited back to your original payment method like a credit card or debit card. The refund timeline can vary depending upon your bank and payment method. It can take a few business days for a refund to appear in your account. You can also track the status of a refund in your orders menu. If you have any problems, you can contact customer support. You now know how to get a refund on Amazon. Get ready to get your money back. Like and subscribe for more app tips.